Hey, songwriters! Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your craft, today I'm sharing 5 essential tips that will help you become a better songwriter. Let's dive right in! Tip number 1, learn the basics of music theory. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me. Knowing how chords, scales, and time signatures work gives you the foundation to create more complex and interesting songs. You don't need to be a theory whiz, but even a little knowledge will take your songwriting to the next level. Plus, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities when you're crafting melodies and harmonies. Tip number 2, write from your own experience. Some of the best songs come from personal stories and emotions. When you draw from your life, your songs feel more authentic, and listeners can sense that. Whether it's a heartbreak, a celebration, or a quiet moment, don't be afraid to put your feelings into your music. Remember, your story is unique, and that's what makes your music special. Tip number 3, be specific, not universal. It's easy to think broad lyrics will connect with more people, but actually, the opposite is true. Focus on the details. Describe a specific place, time, or feeling. When you paint a vivid picture with your words, listeners can relate on a deeper level, finding their own meaning in your song. Details make your lyrics come alive and create a stronger emotional impact. Tip number 4, use strong verbs and adjectives. Powerful language can make your lyrics pop and stick in your listeners' minds. Instead of saying, "I'm sad," say, "I'm drowning in sorrow." Instead of "the sky is blue," try, "the sky is an endless ocean of blue." Strong, vivid language brings your songs to life and makes them more memorable. Your words have power. Make them count. Tip number 5, try new things. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Write in a different genre, play with a new instrument, or collaborate with other musicians. Experimenting keeps your creativity fresh and helps you grow as a songwriter. Even if it doesn't work out, you'll learn something valuable from the experience. So go ahead, push your boundaries. And there you have it, 5 tips to help you become a better songwriter. Remember, songwriting is a journey, and every step you take helps you grow. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow songwriters, and don't forget to subscribe for more music tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and keep writing those hits.